Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Traverse key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a well-lit area to work in, which will help you see the small components clearly. Having the right battery, a CR2032, is crucial for this simple task. Let's get started. To begin, press the release button on the side of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for the next step. Now, look for the small slot where the emergency key was housed. Carefully insert the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction as noted earlier. It should snap into place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all components are properly seated. Press firmly around the edges until you hear and feel the casing snap securely back together. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test all the key fob functions on your Chevy Traverse to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.